For two.
For 2 po. Name po na.
May ube latte sila nun. Burger in the morning. Alam mo, may New Zealand beef tapa.
Interesting.
May brown rice sila. Ay, no. May main food na kayo. Anong bestseller sa Filipino special? I'll try yung beef tapa with brown rice.
Angus beef cheeseburger.
Spanish latte na ice, sub-oat. As a junk journaler, nahingi ako na. Cute. Binigyan pa nila ako extra. So, ito yung original na ginamit nila for our cups. Binigyan ako ng blue. I super love their minimalist vibe. Tinikman na niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, don't spoil. Okay. Masarap siya. May chocolate profile. Tama. A bit. Kasi nga hanap ko. We ordered 3 coffees. Spanish oat latte. For him, yung may chocolate. Tapos, he wanted to try the beans. So, Americano. Dahil paper yung straw, lasang papel. Chocolate.
Ay, oo, medyo
Meron
medium
eh.
siya.
Sa kanya. Food is here. Para siyang tocino.
Medyo matamis.
No. Masarap siya. Para lang talaga siyang lasang tocino. And I'm not really into tocino. Sobrang favorite ko kasi yung tocino when I was a kid. Feeling ko, nagsawa ako. Yun kasi yung lagi kong baon nung bata ako.
The perfect bite.
Diba?
Kami.
Pero the good thing about it, parang
Malambot.
hindi siya malitin. No? Maganda yung meat.
Parang nawala yung beef, yung beef taste mo.
Baka ganun daw yung beef sa New Zealand. Nakalagay kasi New Zealand yung dalawa. So cute! One for you. Cute! Super happy. Yay!
It's nice. It's cute.
Thank you, thank you. I'm happy!
Very
Okay.
good sa kanila.
Magsistay ako dito. Kanina, I was gauging pa if I'm gonna stay in the hotel room or not. Pagkahatid ko sa kanya. But I'm guessing I'm gonna stay. Although the hallway's kinda scary because it's a little dark.
Ako na.
Thank you, my love.
Of course, my love.
Pagkasuot ko ng shoes, I am going to give you a tour. I'm going to give you a tour of the room. Thank you, my love. So, upon entering...
Labas ka.
Okay. Huwag mo kayo iwan. It's cute. Yeah, so ito yung dito. On the left side is the small kitchen. They have the ref. Tapos, toilet. And then, on the right side is the TV. They have a blower. The bed. This is the room. Okay. And then, the balcony. Oh, I can see Luna from here. Hi, Luna. Yay! Ooh. I think I'm going to stay here in the hotel and work. Kaso paano pag gabi na? Hindi, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Pag gabi na, you can go outside. Say hello ka.
Ah, true, true. But are you gonna stay long there?
Sana yun.
I'm just gonna check the CR. Hehe.
Oh.
It's a little small, but it's okay. Ay, wait. Na-disappoint ako sa mirror.
What is that?
What are those? What? Medyo luma na kasi yung hotel, but it's fine.
It's not fine.
Well, it's fine kasi they have bidet.
And they have heater.
They provided towels, heater,
The
cotton
good
buds, dental kit, conditioner, shampoo, and then soap. Not bad. Yung mirror lang talaga. I guess it's forgivable. I can buy na lang from 7-Eleven downstairs if I wanna eat or something. Let's check the TV. Do they have Netflix? Wow! Kanino kaya tong account na to? Hindi ko mag-stay na lang talaga ako because they have Netflix and I can
Watch One Piece! She's gonna watch One Piece.
I think sign out. There you go. Yes, sign out. We're figuring things out without searching the internet. Welcome to 2026. Hello, hello. I just got back in our hotel room. It's 4:48. I started to feel hungry. I bought food. I want to eat here. The TV is here. I'm not sure if I bought too much food. I bought myself pizza. There's a yellow cab right outside the hotel. And then there's also 7-Eleven outside. So I bought some snacks. As a journaler, we are going to save the sticker. Good morning. It's late now, actually. 8:12. We're off to breakfast. Kanina may fog dyan. Let's eat.
A lot.
Done. Next plate. Grabe yung goto nila. Ang daming chichon. Next plate. Wow, wala kas kumain.
Saan magdadrive ko?
Tama. We are done with breakfast in 40 minutes. Nung nakita naming traffic, sabi ko, it's time to go. It's time for us to pack our stuff. We are going to check out.
What? Come on. Sorry. Are you done with this? Yeah, I'm done. Let's go.
Totoo? Wait. Finally, na-sign out na namin yung accounts. Okay, last check. Bye! May yung trend na ano, why are you not holding my hand? It's nice. Be nice. We are in another cafe. Detour before going home. Magkikita pa pala tayo. We're in Hello Cafe. Let's go.
Wow, ang ganda.
Kami lang.
Ano beans ko? Vietnam beans coffee or Arabica coffee?
Pwede mag-soft.
Pwede na.
Yung Hello Signature na lang ako.
Balik mo na yung signature ko at ng sweet cinnamon and cream cheese po. Okay lang po.
Yes! Okay na okay po.
Some oat po.
Sub-oat also.
Ano yung flavor profile na
More on chocolate siya, sir.
normally kilala ang Vietnam sa kanila?
Hindi ko siya titignan. Huwag mo isuspoil sa akin. So we ordered espresso shot to taste the flavor of the bean as it is. Keep your face neutral.
Neutral naman.
Okay. Neutral pero nagda-nudge. Espresso shot.
Liit lang ah.
Try it to zip mang na. Para mas maano ko yung flavor.
Oh. Yung may hangin, gano'n.
Ako yung may tulog pero parang siyang sinisip na gano'n. Yan. Mas matitaste mo po yung flavor mo.
Ah. Galing ni Kuya Barista. Thank you po.
Ano yung mga nalalasahan?
Asim. Fruit. May fruity ba? Tama ba ako?
Yes, pag chocolate and fruit po yung mix ng
Kuya, ang galing mo. Nag-aral ka talaga.
ako, nagkaming na lang.
Ah.
Actually, wala dito po. Dito na lang. Pag start ko po dito lang ako na lang. Dito ko na nalaman na.
Talaga?
Galing.
Talaga?
Mga beans, and then yung sa mga pour-over po, yung manual brewing.
Oo.
Mm.
Pero mahilig ka talaga sa kape.
Yes po. Kasi hindi na po ang tumamig dito sa amin ng medium roast. Parang iilan lang sa ginagawa.
Sa
More on dark roast po.
Yes.
Ah.
And
Gano'n na ba katagal to?
3 years po.
Ay, talaga?
November 12.
Uy, ang sarap niya! Sobrang favorite ko yung cinnamon, kuya, kaya ano.
The darker kasi, kumukonti din yung character.
At saka pag dark roast naman po ang labas ng cream. Hindi siya ganun.
Yes.
Diba?
Sarap.
Yes. Patay ka kapag ang craving ko yung Hello Signature.
Oh my God. Ang hirap naman nito, ang layo. Yes.
Sobrang this is me. This drink is me.
Sarap.
Thank you, Sir
Kaya
Kyle.
kami dito.
Thank you po. I know.
What a great find.
Yes.
Sobrang...
Buti na lang nag-detour pa tayo.
Pumunta tayo dito.
Yes.
Solid talaga.
Thank you so much.
Best experience ng coffee. Great quality talaga.
Yes. Alam nyo, initially, uwi na lang talaga kami. Tapos, parang kami, saan tayo magda-drive-thru for coffee before going down. Tapos, kahapon ko pa nakita tong cafe na to. Pero nag-aalangan ako kasi nga baka walang wifi or hindi conducive for productivity. Then nakita namin, parang from our hotel, it's just 15 minutes away. So sabi ko, if game pa si Zen to check another cafe. Ito na nga. I feel like madami silang
Consistent na brewers. Kasi yun na, good quality talaga eh.
Ang sarap
Good
talaga.
quality.
The best. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.